Okay, dude, here is the panel for my house. So this is the feed wire coming in. It's one big cable. It's got a red wire painted over. This is a black wire you can't see. This is a white wire. It's 120 volts, 120 volts, neutral.
Hey Dada.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm showing Aaron how to do electrical work.
Oh, what?
So, you want to watch?
Yes.
Okay. Now, that's the feed coming in, and it's going, these screws have little metal bars that go, one goes down this way. It's just a metal bar. This is a metal bar, conducts electricity. This ground, this is the ground bus. So everything that's 120 volts is fed from this leg to this neutral, or this leg to this neutral. And basically, every breaker that you see is on a particular bar. So that's a 20 amp breaker, right? So this is the wire that goes out and feeds that, plugs, lights, whatever it is. So the bar that goes down, this one will get that, and these are called A and B. This one's A, this one's B, this one's A, this one is B. Some of these, like in this case, you can, if you go from A to B, that's 240 volts. So a breaker like this is a 2-pole breaker, and it is for, it'll just go bar to bar. We call it a bus bar in there. So it'll go bar to bar, 240 volts. That's for the stove. It goes down there, a big old wire, bada bing. So you have your neutrals that hit the neutral bus in here, and that just, you know, that's your power to ground. A to ground, B to ground. We call it a neutral, it's technically a ground. In addition to that, there's a grounding circuit, and you can see, it's kind of hard to see because a lot of these, right there, all the, what would be green wire, they painted all this wire because they're fucking morons. It's absolutely moronic, and it's against code. Fucking dipshits. Fucking painters are really stupid. Anyway, don't be a painter. So that is a grounding circuit, and that just protects the circuit. So if, for example, I've got a coffee maker and some of the wiring just goes rotten and it makes contact with the metal, the voltage will go through this, it'll come back to this bar, which is connected to the ground, and it'll trip the breaker. That's the grounding circuit. Older houses don't have that, but that's the grounding circuit. This is the grounded conductor, and those two are connected. This is meant to bring stray voltage back, trip the breaker, protect the device, and then you need a new coffee maker. Okay, that's that.